Hi folks, Luca at SharperTrades. Kind of a quiet day today in the market. S&P 500 has been moving sideways above the 80 that's a steady support. Below that, 579 and 570, resistance 586, 595, 603. APLD, this one is a swing that is becoming a position trade over the past couple of days. It's now pressing the resistance target of 874, looking for volume more. It's good at the moment. 11 and then 1350 next targets. Support is today low and 7. GLW is a swing, nice consolidation after hitting the first target. Tested again today, pull back. Technicals are still bullish, needs to break through Wednesday high at 47.45, again, first target. We're looking for 49.24 and 51.17. Support is the ATMA and 45.50. RKLB, swing from here, stopped out, standing, been covering all along. And now block order spotted a few days ago is breaking out. This looks bullish. It needs to remain above 11. Targets 1250, 1420, and 16. Support ATMA, and then further down is the 10, 20 level. SERV, picking up some steam with volume. And 1150 and 15. In between, you got 1330. So 15, 30, and 1150 are the targets. Support ATMA and 880. It's volatile.
So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.